Ready, set, glow. The Glow plasma system is designed for high reliability and affordable pricing, under $6,000. The Glow operates at 100 kilohertz and no tuning is required. The Glow is suitable for lab, university, or production applications. It can perform a host of applications such as plasma cleaning, removing photoresist, pre-bond cleaning conditioning, PDMS bonding, and organic removal. Glow Research makes the entire system, so we are able to provide a very reliable plasma system and pass on our cost savings. The chamber is constructed of high-grade aluminum, and the sample holder can hold a wide variety of samples. There are 2 sample shelves, one for plasma processing, and the other powered shelf is for ion-assisted or more aggressive processing. The chamber door has a dynamic hinge to prevent pitching of the O-ring and to increase vacuum integrity. The processing chamber is 5 inches wide by 5 inches high by 7 inches deep. For proper plasma processing, it is important to know the chamber pressure to ensure a repeatable process. The front display will report the chamber pressure so that a process can be easily established. A reliable Pirani gauge is used. Flow meters are mounted on the front of the Glow for easy gas flow adjustment and viewing. Internal solenoids will shut the gas off after the process has timed out. This will allow for repeatable processing without having to continually adjust the gas flow for subsequent plasma treatments. Chamber pressure is controlled by the flow of gas into the chamber. As a safety protection, process gas is only allowed to flow into the reaction chamber if all the interlocks are confirmed. The Glow plasma system is equipped with a 100 kilohertz 50-watt generator. No tuning is required. Standard features include a switch that terminates RF power and a gas flow. Safety interlocks prevent activation of the RF power and gas flow when the chamber door is open or if covers are removed. The Glow has passed rigorous testing and is CE marked. Glow Research offers both a hydrocarbon vacuum pump or a pump with Fomblin-type oil for use with oxygen gas. The Glow plasma system is easy to install. Just plug it into a standard electrical outlet, connect the process gas, connect the vacuum pump, and the system is ready to process. Glow Research plasma systems conform to all international electrical standards. We ship worldwide. In summary, the Glow plasma system can operate with oxygen, argon, and other gases. It has a plasma shelf and powered shelf for process flexibility. The operator can set the process time for automatic operation. Diagnostic LEDs show the status of the tool and confirm that all modules are working. The Glow plasma system operates at 50 watts for plenty of power. There is no arcing or sparking. The proprietary RF network does not require tuning of forward or reflected power. A Pirani pressure gauge is used, so the operator can monitor chamber pressure relative to gas flow. All solid-state electronics are used. Unique electrode design provides maximum power distribution and a uniform plasma regardless of where you place the sample in the chamber. The chamber door has a dynamic hinge that prevents pinching of the O-ring seal. 12-month parts and labor warranty and full support from Glow Research. Thank you for your interest. Please contact us if you would like more information. Please know that we are at your service.